Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York, and today we are back in Las Vegas on the Las Vegas Strip, Center Strip at the Bellagio. We're going to check out the conservatory today here at the Bellagio Hotel and Casino. In this video, I just caught the end of the summer display. This was just a few weeks ago. They now have the fall display up. And I filmed it both daytime and nighttime, and you're going to see both of those in this video here because I think the conservatory takes on a completely different vibe daytime and nighttime, and I can't make up my mind which one I like more. Perhaps the evening one, I'm not sure. In any event, the Bellagio Conservatory was simply beautiful as always, and just sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. This is Mitzi, the Rubber Ducky Showgirl, who shows up on all my Vegas videos. As most of you know, there are hidden mascots, or some of you call them Easter eggs, in my videos. Mitzi shows up in all the Vegas ones. Sometimes she's easy to spot, other times she's quite elusive, so keep your eyes open while watching the video. If you spot her, note the time in the comments below, and if you're the first one, you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. And a shout out to Deborah Camacho, who found Frankie the Flip-Flop in my latest New Jersey Shore video, Brigantine Beach. Good job, Deborah. And through the magic of video editing, we're here at the same place, but at a different time. It's nighttime now here at the Bellagio Conservatory. I think I like the nighttime display better. It's the same exact display, it's just that it's lit up differently. Obviously, there's no sunlight and it's all artificial light, but the colors seem to pop more at night. I don't know. I haven't made up my mind. Leave a comment below if you like the daytime conservatory or the nighttime one. Hey, if you're enjoying this video, please hit that subscribe button and smash that thumbs up. It really does help the channel out. If you plan on visiting the conservatory, and you really should, it's a must-see if you're visiting Las Vegas, just like those world-famous fountains out front here at the Bellagio. Keep in mind that the scenery changes here 5 times a year, one for each season as well as the Chinese New Year. In between the seasons and the Chinese New Year, they have a week that they call a blackout week, and it happens several times a year, obviously. And if it's important that you see the conservatory, just check the website and make sure you're not visiting during a blackout week, because that's where they put the curtains up and tear down the old one and put up the new one. It takes a week, and that happens, obviously, several times a year. And again, I'm curious, please leave a comment below, daytime or nighttime. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.